Basic and super tasty chocolate scones. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make something that will fit perfect for your tea or coffee. Super easy and super tasty chocolate scones. So start right off by preheating your oven up to 200 degrees Celsius. Add flour, baking powder, sugar, butter, milk, heavy cream, egg, chocolate and nuts into a kitchen machine. I chose pecan nuts because that's what I had the most of. And let it mix everything together until well combined, just like that. And now we're gonna work with the dough. So sprinkle some flour on a flat surface, bring out the dough and dip it a little on the flour. Flatten it out until it's about 2 centimeters thick. And now we're entering the final step. Bring out your circle form, or do it simple, use a glass and press out round circles from the flattened dough. Put them on a baking tray with baking paper on and bake them inside the oven for 15 minutes. Believe me when I say this is a really simple recipe and you're getting some really good scones out of this. So if you like some really quick sweets beside your tea or coffee and you do like scones, give this recipe a try, give us some feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video and we see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!